How to fix Facebook notifications not working on Android. Full guide. Not getting Facebook notifications on your Android phone? In this video, I will guide you through the steps to fix Facebook notifications on your Android device. First, make sure notifications are enabled in the Facebook app. Open Facebook, tap the menu icon, scroll to Settings and Privacy, then tap Notification Settings. Next, check your phone's settings. Go to Settings app, tap Apps and Notifications, find Facebook and ensure notifications are turned on. Lastly, check your battery optimization settings. If Facebook is being optimized, disable it to ensure notifications are delivered. That should fix the issue. If this guide helped, subscribe for more Android fixes and feel free to ask for any help in the comment section.